In this video, I'm going to tell you how to find out if your hard drive is going bad or not. Hi, my name is Locascio. My channel is about helping people maintain and fix their computer. I've been doing computer repair for 23 years. I'm located in Melbourne, Florida. If you find value on my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any questions about any computer problems, please put it down on the bottom and I'll answer every single one of them. Now, how do you know if your hard drive is going bad? Well, first of all, if your hard drive is going bad, what I suggest to do is to find out is just turn your computer on and don't touch your mouse, don't touch your keyboard, and watch the light that's on the computer. It should be a steady green light if you have a healthy hard drive. If your light is flickering and flickering over and over and over and over after the computer boots up and is running, then that's a good indicator that your hard drive is failing. And the first thing I would do is I'd back up the computer, all my important information, back up your files, all your data that's important, put it on a USB, make sure it's off the computer. After you do that, if it's a laptop, I'll remove the battery, turn it upside down, and open the bottom door. The biggest door is usually the one with the hard drive, but there's probably two doors on your bottom of your computer, so make sure you try both of them. And unscrew the hard drive, pop the hard drive out, it just pulls right out. If it's a desktop, make sure it's not powered, plugged into the wall or anything, and unscrew the hard drive, take it out, read the hard drive, see what it says on it. Most likely it's a SATA hard drive. If it's a SATA hard drive, make sure you get a 7200 RPM. If it's a laptop hard drive, it'll be 2.5 inch. If it's a desktop hard drive, it'll be 3.5 inches. So you can go to Amazon, or you can go to eBay, or wherever you like to shop. Those are the two sites I recommend. And get yourself a hard drive. Make sure you get a 7200 RPM hard drive and not a 5400. 7200 is the faster one. If you don't use a lot of storage, then you can get like a 500 gig or a 750 gig hard drive. And then what you do is when your hard drive comes, you install the hard drive the same way you took it out. You just plug it in. On the desktop, you plug in those two funny looking cables. One has got an L shape and the other one is straight, and it can only go in one way. On the laptop, you just slide it back in and screw the screws back on, and then you close the door and screw everything back on. If it's on your desktop, you just put the side panel back on, and then you install the Windows operating system. If you have a disk, you put the disk in a tray, or if you use USB with Windows on it, you put the disk in your USB port. Then you restart the computer. You start tapping F12 before the computer starts, and then you choose DVD if it's the DVD that you're booting from, or choose USB if you're using a USB. Now, if those options don't come up, you'll have to go into the BIOS and change it to boot to wherever you're booting to. Now, to do that, shut the computer off and restart it before the screen comes out. Start tapping F2 or delete. It'll say on your screen really quick where is your setup. Most of the time it's F2, so start tapping F2. When you're in the BIOS, you can only use the arrows on your keyboard. So arrow to the right where it says boot, then hit enter, and then highlight the first boot one, or the one that you're booting to, which is DVD. Make sure that you move that up to the top position, and then you hit F10 to save changes, then you hit enter, and then when you restart, you start tapping F12 again, and you choose whatever boot option you are using. After that, follow the prompts to install Windows. Windows should start setting up, And after it's set up, if you're on Windows 10, you probably have all your drivers installed. But if you're on Windows 7 computer, then you're going to have to go to the manufacturer website to find a few device drivers. And you just search for the model of your computer where it says troubleshooting at the website, and you put in your operating system, and you're going to search for drivers. If you have issues with that, please leave it in the comments and I'll help you with that. But basically, that's what you have to do. Windows 10 will pick up all the drivers most likely. If it doesn't, you'll have to go to the manufacturer website and get those drivers. I have an easier way of doing it. I have a USB device that has all the drivers on it, and I can tell you how to get that. Just leave it in the comments. And then your computer will be up and running. You'll have to reinstall your programs again. Then you can reinstall your data from that USB or the external hard drive that you saved all your information to. Then you install your programs. There's a good website called Ninite, Ninite. It's a great website. And instead of installing one program at a time, you just type in Ninite, which is www.ninite.com, and you click where it says Get My Ninite, and there's all list of programs there, and you check the programs that you want, and then you just hit download, and it will download one after another, like all the programs that you choose. So yeah, it's a great program called Ninite. I'm going to do a video just on that program, which is a fabulous program. But do that when you're installing your programs again. Well, again, I hope it works out for you. If you want me to make a video on any computer issues or topics that you have, make sure you write it down in suggestions. Send me a note. Also, you can visit my website at mslcomputerservice.com. And please subscribe to my channel if you find value in my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. This video is about how to get your hard drive installed and Windows put on again. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.